and no one is excluded. We're going to show you how we grind here in Cleveland, Ohio through 100 days of making movies. 2 community-based films, 1 story by a teen, 1 story by an adult. Follow us as our Cleveland community works together to make these stories into feature films. We are turning 2-page stories into 75-page scripts. You will see us with writing, you'll see us with rehearsals, costume, you'll see us with casting, you'll see the whole pre-production, production, post-production, all in 100 days here in Cleveland, Ohio. And then you will see how Cleveland, Ohio really grinds. Are you ready for 100 days of making movies? You will see our film production workforce. You will see our grit. You will see our struggle. You will see filmmakers, dancers, writers, students, elders, teachers, parents. You will see what makes Ohio different and a community. Words cannot express it, but if you are from Ohio, you know it. Come check us out and you will too. 100 days of making movies. We are showing you reasons why Ohio has always been on the map. We do it differently out here. Truly authentic talent. Don't believe me? Well, did you know that Steven Spielberg is from Ohio? Marvel movies, the Russo brothers are from Ohio. John Legend, the OJs. We also have Stephen Cable, director of Creed, LeBron James, Halle Berry, Van Hunt, Steve Harvey, Kim Whitley, influencer Logan Paul, MGK, Bone Thugs-n-Harmony, and so many others are from Ohio. I can go as far back as Thomas Edison with the light bulb and Garrett Morgan with our street lights. How about we fly a little higher and talk about the Wright brothers with airplanes? Watch us make history. 100 days of making movies here in Cleveland, Ohio. Come follow us, Art-of-Me-Org on Instagram, or check us out, hashtag 100 days making movies. 100 days of making movies in Cleveland, Ohio.